Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Talent Tutorials. Till now we have seen about how to use filtering as well as joining in the TMAP component. In today's video I am going to explain about how to do this, like how to add the string handling functions for a particular column in the using a TMAP component here. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, let us see how to do the string handling functions for the some of the columns here. So first of all, what I am doing is I am loading a content. So I am first of all creating a new job. So I am naming it as string functions. String functions, I am saying it. Now what I am doing is I am inserting a t file input delimited. So what I am doing is I am double clicking the component and I am sending it as a repository and delimited file. This is the previous metadata I have created, and I am also inserting a tmap here and for the output as tlogro. So I am saving it. I am connecting this t file input delimited and tmap pro using a main component here, and I am clicking the tmap here, and I am adding a out1 table. These are all the things that we have already seen in the previous lecture. So first of all, what I am doing is I want the output table with all columns. Now I want a new column here, like in the output table I want a new column. So what I am doing is I am adding a plus button just below the output schema here and changing the name as date, and assigning a string as date data type, and I am applying. Now for the value, what I am doing is I am clicking that empty space here for the expression, and I am clicking the three dots. Now we are having some values, some functions here. What I want is I want a talent date. I am clicking here for talent date, and I am adding here we have a function like get current date. So I am clicking here for the get current date, double clicking it. So here this is the function that we have. I am clicking OK. Now this is automatically gets this is the function that will get for every row. So I am clicking OK here. Let's see what is the output that we have, and I am assigning the output 1 with the tlogro and changing the tlogro to table mode. I am saving it, and in the runtime let's see what is the output that we can have. Here we will be having a 4 rows. This date is the value that we have created using a string functions, like in talent date functions. Suppose if I want age to be added, like not age, suppose what I am doing is I am copying this last name and I want to add this with first name. So normally in Java what we have is in the back end of the talent is nothing but Java programming. Now in Java for concatenation we use a plus key, plus operator. So I am inserting a plus here, and I am adding some space as a string, and I am copying this. So what it means is first name space last name. So I am saving it, and I am clicking OK here. So let's see what is the output that we have, and I am running it. See, for the first time what it is saying is for Rakesh Velluri, Henrywich Rakesh Velluri, this is how you will get this output. Suppose I want everything as a capital letter. So how can you do that? Like similarly, click on this particular tab and click the three dots here. Now I am going to select the string handling here. Here these are all the functions like string functions like alpha, btrim, and count down. These are all the functions you can, whenever you are in free, then you can use all these things. And what I am using is, I am going to change this to uppercase. See, here we have a uppercase here. What I am doing is, I am replacing the hello with this value inside the brackets. So this is how, what it will do is, string handling dot uppercase of this last row name, whatever the last name that we have, it will be converted to uppercase. I am clicking OK here. So I am applying it, and I am saying OK. Let's see what is the output. I am running it. See, every row in the last name will be in the uppercase. Suppose if you want like first name, entire Rakesh Velluri in uppercase or lowercase, then you can double click it again and click here, and for the entire thing you can add a string handling function, like go to uppercase and double click it and replace the hello with the entire string that we have. And I am cutting here and replacing here, and I am saving it and clicking OK. So let's see what is the output that we can have. And I am saving it, and I am running here. Here the output will be, everything is in the uppercase letter. The first name is entirely uppercase letter. Similarly, we have a lot of functions for suppose if you want to replace L with U, or we have a functions for replacing, as well as we have a functions for trimming out the spaces and trimming out the left trim as well as right trim. Like that, you can use a lot of string functions as well as numeric functions. Like that, there are a lot of functionalities are there. You can see all the functions available here by clicking the 3 dots just after the expression field. This is what expression builder. All these are all the functions, like we have a mathematical functions like bitwise operators and all. And similarly, you can use a random functions, you can generate a random numbers also using these mathematical functions or numeric functions. In the numeric functions, we have a functions like a sequence for getting a sequence numbers, as well as reset sequence or remove sequence, or random number, generating a random number, or something like convert implicit decimal format, like those things. And similarly, we have a relational operators in this field, and we have string fields like replacing and converting to uppercase as well as lowercase. And we have some of the functions like talent generator, which is nothing but whenever you want to generate a new value here, like talent generator dot get first name, means it will generate some random first name. Similarly, if you click here for the get last name, then it will generate a random last name. Similarly, it get as city, means it will generate a random city name. Likewise, it will generate all the random values here. Similarly, talent date means this way there will be some functionalities here, like getting a current date as well as getting a first day of month. Like those things, we have a lot of functions here for the talent date as well. These are the functionalities in the talent string for union string and removing special characters, like those things. So these are all the functions that that are available for us to do operations on the individual column. So this is how you can do this is how you can do operations on each field. And you can also add as many rows in the output column. Like these are all the new few columns that we have added, and you can add a lot of functionalities, like suppose I have shown you like talent date, right? Talent data generator. So I want to add city, and I am entering it. I am changing the new column to city. Similarly, I am changing the new column 1 to state, and I am assigning a value it to get talent data generator and get you a state. I am saying OK. Similarly, for the new column to state ID, and I am clicking here for the expression builder and talent generator state ID. Sorry, I am clicking OK. Sorry, here there's some mistake here. So talent data generated, I am clicking here for talent state. I am saving it. For the new column 3, we have another function here, talent data generator get a US street. So I am double clicking on that function and clicking OK, and I am changing the name as street. So simply we can say it as this is the address of the person with the first name. Sorry, wait 1 second, there is some out. Yeah, so the value, you need to be careful with it and clicking OK, and I am applying it and I am saving it. So this is the address of the person. So let's see what is the output. I am saving it. See, first name as both the after concatenation, and city is a random city name, because we haven't included city, state id, state in the input file, because input file will be having only 3 columns, or 3 columns with the age, first name and last name. But here these are all the columns that we have added for the output, which are all talent data generators. Here city is, it will get the random US state. For the state also it will get the random US state. For the city it will get random US city. Similarly state ID means random state IDs for the respective, sorry, it will be random state IDs, and street also random. These are all the talent built-in functions. So date means I have using some date functions here using talent date function, using talent date class. So this is how you can use the string handling functions in for each field, like for each column in the Talent Open Studio. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.